I'm sorry, Jim, I'm going to stop the subsidy to PBS. I'm going to stop other things. I like PBS. I love Big Bird. I actually like you too. But I'm not going to keep on spending money on things to borrow money from China to pay for.
Did you hear that? That old rich guy wants to cut funding for PBS. What in the heck is wrong with him?
Yeah, I heard that. What's wrong with this guy? He doesn't know what the heck he's doing. And he wants to get rid of you, Big Bird? We've got another thing coming for this a-hole.